Trouble as four killed in fiery gun duel between kidnappers and soldiers. Four suspected kidnappers were feared killed and four soldiers shot during a gun battle between the kidnappers and soldiers along Owo Ifon Road in Osha local government area of Ondo State on Friday. A source who disclosed this to our reporter said the suspected kidnappers had held some people who were traveling along the route as hostage before the soldiers arrived at the spot. According to the source, who explained that the troops were on patrol when they ran into the barricade of the kidnappers on the road, while the kidnappers opened fire on them and the soldiers responded back immediately. The soldiers were said to be careful in exchanging guns with the kidnappers in order not to kill some of the victims who had been held hostage by the kidnappers. But four of the kidnappers were reportedly shot dead during the gun duel. The source, however, said four of the military men also sustained injuries from a gunshot during the exchange of fire, and they were immediately rushed to the Federal Medical Center Owo for medical attention. He said that the Owo Ifon axis of the road was immediately deserted by motorists and the residents following the heavy gunshot experienced by the people of the area. He said an ambush was laid by the kidnappers who successfully abducted some victims, while the soldiers who ran into the kidnappers' roadblock were welcomed with a hail of bullets. But they responded promptly, and after the fire exchange, four of the kidnappers were said to be killed, while four soldiers were hit with bullets. All the captured victims were released after the shootout. Confirming the developments, the State Police Public Relations Officer (PPRO) Mr. T. Leo Ikoro and said four military men were injured during the attack. Ikoro said men of the State Police Command have been drafted to comb the forest in order to apprehend the suspected kidnappers. He said the command has commenced investigation into the matter, saying the criminals would be brought to book. However, the army spokesman Ayorinde Omojiokun neither confirmed nor denied the incident, but promised to get back to our reporter on the developments. Meanwhile, in a related development, residents of Owobamigbe farm settlement along Ileyo Isagba Road, Akure in Akure North, local government area of the state, flee from the village over fear of attack by herdsmen. It was gathered that there was a face-off between a cassava farmer in the village who met some herdsmen on his farm harvesting cassava to feed their cattle. The farmer was said to have been macheted when he made attempts to stop the herdsmen, who inflicted various degrees of injury on him before he was rescued from the scene by other farmers. One of the farmers, Mr. Michael Abiodun, explained that most of the villagers had started leaving the area over fear of attacks by the herdsmen. Abiodun said most of the villagers had left the village and are not going to sleep in the village, saying anything they have issued with Fulani herdsmen, they would always come back at night to attack them. The farmer, who lamented that the herders had destroyed their source of livelihood, pleaded with men of the Nigerian police and Amoteco corps to come to the rescue and beef up security in the area to prevent bloodshed. Thank you for listening to this news. Fulani herdsmen, and there are many crimes. They will never do away with kidnapping. Is that not one of the reasons why Oyo is chasing them away from their community? Because of this same kidnapping. Because of this same kidnapping. You see, my viewers, I will say that we are passing through, or we are facing insecurity in Nigeria is because of these Fulani herdsmen. And our president, who's supposed to understand the situation better, is even backing them up. And that is why it was said that, does it mean that the president is aware of the insecurity problem we are going through, or he knows the people who are attacking and kidnapping the innocent Nigerians? Yeah. What else do you expect Nigerians to do when they are trying their possible best to see how to chase and dismiss these people? The president is saying no, that they should not chase them away, that they are innocent people, whereas they are giving you some proof. Look at another one now. This one is a kidnapping exercise. This is a kidnapping work carried out by these Fulani herdsmen. What are you to say about it? Instead of you to go against it, they map out a strategy to see how to get hold of these hoodlums. You are supporting them, saying that they don't have the power and the right to dismiss them. I'm just hearing this. My viewers, what's your take? Please limit free to leave your comments below the comment box. Click on the subscription button as well as the bell button to receive more updates. Thank you.